Good morning to all. It's a very wonderful occasion today that the Noble School institutions conducted the Brainothon exams with utmost confidence, and there was a tedious preparation, and I'm very much grateful to our teachers who trained our students very wonderfully to make this event happen, and all the students were very much interested and very much enthusiastic in preparing for this exam. They've taken it very confidential, and it was a grand success. I thank our Honorable Secretary who had cooperated in every moment to bring these exams into our institution, and also our teachers and also my lovable students. Hope this type of an examination brings more awareness to all the places in Mulbagal, Kolar and also in Bangalore. I wholeheartedly congratulate all the students and teachers and our management and also the other institutions participating in this tedious exam.
I am Ashwati Prabhakar. I am an assistant teacher in Noble English Medium School, Mulbagal. Today, that is on 21st/11/2025, we have conducted a Brainothon exam in our school in order to check the knowledge of students in various streams that includes current affairs and the ancient Indian world history and all. These questions are included by various chapters. In that, all the questions are asked in a series of questions, which includes multiple choice questions. And we personally think that only academic knowledge is not enough for children's growth, because we cannot grow if everything is easy. If we face challenge only, we will find a growth. So today all our students are ready to face the challenges of today, and this particular exam has helped our student to boost their confidence. They increase the thinking and logical skills of that particular exam, and they have various knowledge. They have created a various knowledge from that question. I would like to thank every Brainothon team for giving that opportunity for all our students, and I would like to thank everyone from our Noble School.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುಕನ್ಯಾ. ನಾನು ನೋಬಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಬ್ರೈನೋಥಾನ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದರು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಿದ್ಧರಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡರು. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಆದಿಲ್ ಪಾಷಾ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Myself, Mavi from Mulbagal of Noble School. Today we are conducted a Brainothon exam in our school. It's wonderful moment, teachers as well as the students. We are very thankful to our Secretary Sir, Principal Sir and my dear colleagues for preparing the students in a well manner, and also I thanks to Shashi Kumar Sir who has conducted a Brainothon exam in all over the state. Thank you so much.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಬಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಬ್ರೈನೋಥಾನ್ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಂತಹ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳು ಪದೇ ನಡೆಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಬಹುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎದುರಿಸಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Good evening everyone. What an absolutely brilliant day for the learning. We have just wrapped out the Brainothon exam, and the participants or students were the simply fantastic. This efforts has a focus with the sharp minds. It is all the displays today. This exam has wonderful opportunity, has a truly valid the knowledge and the potential for our students. The big thanks must goes to the immediately to our secretary Adil sir and bringing this platform to the Noble School. We deeply grateful that, and special thanks for D Shashi Kumar sir as General Secretary of CAMS as making this Brainothon and happen sir. Your encouragement and efforts are sincerely appreciated. This test was taken students for the over all the Karnataka. To every participants across the state, congratulations, you have showed the perfect dedication, and those who are watching haven't yet joined this platform, incredible. It has given a chance to gain a crucial knowledge throughout the video lectures, notes and the application level question papers. Once you step into this journey, you will never look back. Thank you Shashi Kumar sir as providing this excellence hybrid with the platform. We are so proudful students keep shining bright.
This is Sat from grade 9th. First, I want to say thank you to Adil sir bringing this Brainothon exam our school.
Hi friend, this is Nizam from grade 9th from Noble English Medium School. It was a wonderful chance for all of us to challenge our mind and test what we know.
Hi, my name is Isra. I am studying in class 8 from Noble School, Mulbagal. I am very happy to be the part of Brainothon exam. I wholeheartedly thank my secretary sir, our principal sir and all my teachers who efficiently trained me and my colleagues to successfully complete the exam. I wish all a great success. Thank you very much.